In this demo, we will be showing the new Kasten K10 5.0 support for vSphere with Tanzu Kubernetes grid services. This is shown here in the vSphere client. Now if we jump into our Kasten K10 deployment within our cluster, we must first add our infrastructure profile. We need to provide a profile name, our vCenter server, and our credentials. The Enable Tagging checkbox allows us to tag snapshots. This will aid in identifying snapshots taken by K10 if it is enabled. A vSphere tagging category will be created and displayed under Infrastructure Profiles. Save profile. Paravirtualized volumes true indicates that we have discovered and switched on this with the version of vSphere with Tanzu, which integrates into Cloud Native Storage, CNS, a vCenter server component that manages persistent volume. We can then go and find our dynamically discovered applications. But first, let's add some data to our application. This app is a Node.js front end with a MongoDB backend. We have also populated our persistent volume with additional data, as well as adding this mission critical high score. We will then create a policy to protect our workload, give the policy a name, define the backup frequency, enable backups via snapshot exports, i.e. we want to send our backups out to a location profile. And we also need to select export snapshot data in block mode, as this relates to the infrastructure profile and the data mover that will be used by Kasten K10 to protect this data. Choose the application by name, but again, with any K10 deployment, this could be based on labels. Once we have our policy created, you can hit run now. I've skipped through to the completed policy run. You can see here that we have moved all of our data in just under 2 hours to our object storage repository. Now if we're going to simulate a change, we can do this by going and logging a new high score within our application. And then if we head back into the Kasten K10 dashboard, we can now trigger that policy to run again. The showcase here is that we will perform an incremental backup of all of our change data. You can see that uploading that change took less than 5 minutes to add. Finally, as this is the usual Kasten K10 deployment, you still have the same functionality, look and feel, the ability to see the storage layout and trends around each area. This demo was showing the new Kasten K10 5.0 support for vSphere with Tanzu Kubernetes grid services.